Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a poster in Gamma. First, open Gamma and select New to begin. You can choose from various templates or start fresh. Decide on your poster's size early, perhaps in a 3 or in a 4, to ensure it looks great when printed. This initial setup is crucial for a professional-looking final product. Now, let's add your content. Drag and drop text boxes for your main title, subheadings, and detailed information. Incorporate compelling visuals by uploading your own images or using Gamma's extensive media library. You can find thousands of icons and stock photos to make your poster visually appealing and informative. Remember, a good balance of text and visuals is key. Next, we'll focus on design. Personalize your poster by selecting fonts and color schemes that reflect your message. Use Gamma's alignment guides to perfectly position your text and images, ensuring a polished look. Don't forget to explore Gamma's smart design features. They can offer excellent suggestions to elevate your poster's appearance with just a few clicks. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. Always preview your poster thoroughly to catch any last-minute adjustments. Gamma allows you to easily share a view-only or editable link with collaborators. When ready, export your poster as a high-quality PDF for printing or as an image file for digital distribution. This ensures your hard work is presented perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.